establish Saideep Hospital came when my children, after their super specialization, wanted to settle in Ahmednagar and practice along with me. On sharing this idea with my fellow colleagues, they all agreed this was a great way to practice medicine with their family member who are specialists in various faculties. Thus, Saideep Hospital is a unique project conceptualized when 7 different specialty hospitals merged to become one big tertiary hospital. Hence, we have doctors from 2 to 3 generations. Our common goal at Saideep is to attract the younger generation to practice in Ahmednagar and serve their hometown with best facilities in medical care. Promoting medical tourism in Ahmednagar and gaining patients not only from metro cities but from foreign countries as well. We were officially inaugurated on 19 February 2019.
Our vision at Saideep Hospital is to be innovative and patient-centric. We have the knowledge and dedication to deliver care with honesty and empathy. Our mission at Saideep Hospital is to render high quality yet affordable medical care, create an organized, disciplined medical and paramedical professional force, and contribute to the society with medical research. As the head of the orthopedics department, we have an efficient team of specialists managing all types of trauma and polytrauma cases. We have facilities to cater joint replacement surgeries and knee and shoulder arthroscopic surgeries, and to conduct endoscopic and open spine surgeries and rheumatology services. Finally, we want our patient and their families to live with a smile on their face.
Saideep is one of the biggest hospitals in interior Maharashtra with a 2 lakh square feet perimeter, 13-storied building to become the biggest hospital in interior Maharashtra. Today, Saideep is grown as a brand that people, just not from Ahmednagar, but throughout India. We have state-of-the-art facilities for every department with almost 30 in-house specialities. Saideep Hospital ensures that every patient receives the best treatments, modern care and facilities under one roof.
Saideep Hospital is the best tertiary care hospital in Western Maharashtra. We have the best infrastructure and skilled human capital with a multidisciplinary approach in managing cases. In last 18 months, with our growing numbers, we are in a progress towards becoming one of the best super specialty hospitals in Maharashtra. We have also extended our patient care through teleconsultations, where we have patients throughout India approaching Saideep for world-class, best, cost-effective treatments. We envision to bring our quality services across the globe by adopting technology with medicine. We want to be digital pioneers of medicine from Ahmednagar, India.
Since we aim for international accreditation, we have recruited highly trained and qualified staff. From time to time, we arrange for staff training program so that to ensure that our doctors and staff are at par with the global standard. Saideep Hospital is strategically located close to the pilgrimage place and Shirdi Airport that would help medical tourism. Our treatment is very cost effective and we also provide cashless facility to our patients. Along with the medical care, we provide hygienic, nutritious diet free of cost, tailor-made to each patient.
The Department of Medicine has 7 full-time in-house physicians and 5 intensivists for round-the-clock service to the patients. Our department has a capacity of around 200 beds. Our medical ICU has state-of-the-art facilities of bedside pendants with full MGPS connection. We have 20 high-end ventilators, 3 HFNOs and 3 BiPAPs. We have 8 negative pressure rooms with 2 being high-end isolation rooms. We also have 7 hemodialysis machines with a backup nephrologist. We cater to all medical emergencies including poisonings, snake bites and drug overdoses.
The various facilities present in the cardiology department include an ICCU, a cardiothoracic bypass unit, a 4-dimensional color Doppler and the latest addition to this department, the cardiac cath lab. Our department has a well-trained and experienced staff consisting of 3 in-house cardiologists, an ICCU intensivist, a cardiac anesthetist and a pediatric cardiologist and 2 bypass surgeons to have more than 5,000 cardiac admissions 30,000 OPD visits and are successfully performing various procedures of more than 5,000 cases in a short period of 18 months is a remarkable achievement in itself.
The gynecology department at Sai-Deep Hospital consists of a team of gynecologists catering to the services round the clock. We have state-of-art labor rooms, modular operation theatres and an exclusive IVF lab. We specialize in high-risk obstetrics with genetic counseling. We do 3D ultrasounds, various fertility treatments like IUI, IVF, semen freezing and embryo freezing, and fetal medicine also. We are equipped to deal with various gynecological disorders and perform skillful surgeries like NDVH for speedy recovery of the patient. We also run clinics for adolescents, PCOD, preconception counseling, menopause and cancers, including cancer screening and cancer awareness programs.
Time saved is brain saved. This principle outlines the structure and functioning of our entire department of neurology. So we have in-house expertise of a neurophysician, neurosurgeon, neurophysiologist and neuroophthalmologist. There is 24/7 facility for neurodiagnostics, neurointerventions, neurosurgery. We have made separate trained teams to look at brain paralysis, neurotrauma, neuro-ICU. Our paralysis program has achieved the door to needle time, that is the patient's arrival and receiving the main drug which dissolves the clot in brain in less than 20 minutes on many occasions, which is extending huge benefit to our patients.
It's very rare to find an in-house psychiatry department with full-time psychiatrist in a multi-speciality setup. But at Sai-Deep, we look at it as a holistic approach. We give importance to your mental health as we give importance to your physical health. We have successfully handled cases ranging from severe mental disorders, depression, anxiety, alcohol addiction and other substance use. We also have dedicated memory clinic for older people and counseling setup. We also have staff who is trained to handle violent patients and ambulance services for them.
The pediatric department is equipped to cater to the complicated pediatric cases. We have a team of 24 hours pediatricians available with trained RMOs and trained nursing staffs to ensure every newborn infant receives the emergency care if required. We perform newborn screening tests for hearing and thyroid disorders in the newborns, and very soon we will continue to screen the patients' infants for inborn errors of metabolism. As the head of the Department of Pediatrics, I am proud to say that we have treated several preterm infants, neonates, some weighing just 1 kg or below, very successfully.
In the surgical department, we have well-equipped operation theatre with modern technology for critical patients. We carry out individualized surgical procedure with utmost precision and safety. We are experienced in general surgical procedure such as abdominal surgery, anorectal surgery with advanced technique. Using advanced technique like infrared coagulation, sclerotherapy, laparoscopy and minimal invasive surgery. We have a team of experienced and trained physician, plastic surgeon, orthopedic surgeon for an emergency and traumatic and accidental patient management team with ICU backup. Our motto is to work as a team to improve the patient's life.
Our hospital, with its most advanced modular operation theatres and topmost class anesthesia workstation, can deliver the best anesthesia technique in all the critical cases. Our experienced senior anesthesia team can assure very pleasant and safe anesthesia for all types of surgeries. At Sai-Deep, we perform nothing short of miracles and make sure to perform all these miracles together. One of our specialties is to perform labor analgesia, that is painless delivery. And in near future, we are planning to start our pain clinics, which will be a boon for patients having chronic pain.
The family physician department consists of experienced and trained physicians to handle family cases. Our facilities include an updated medical record up to 3 generations, telemedicine consultation and an emergency department. We have successfully handled more than 10,000 patients and have generations of families coming in for treatment. Our aim is the prevention of congenital diseases that pass from parents to their children and provide wellness for their family as a whole.
The procedures performed in the Department of Dentistry span from basic dental treatment procedures, and we have now also included advanced treatment procedures like implant dentistry, laser dentistry, and now even have stepped up to microdentistry. These all our treatments are provided to even high-risk patients like hypertension, diabetes, and all these treatments are also provided to indoor patients. For indoor patients, we have an expert panel of consultants like orthodontists, maxillofacial surgeon, and periodontists who provide the best of the treatments in local anesthesia, sedation, and general anesthesia. The procedures carried out in the Department of Dentistry consist of advanced dental treatment procedures like implant dentistry, laser dentistry, and now even the microdentistry. We are well equipped to handle orofacial elements as well. And this is all possible because our expert panel of consultants like maxillofacial surgeons, periodontists, and even periodontists, they all make it possible to provide best of the treatment to make patient comfortable and provide treatment in local anesthesia, sedation, and even general anesthesia.
Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is a progress. Working together is a success. Indian healthcare is progressing at immense proportion. Saideep Hospital is pushing the boundaries by moving from a local to global level. Through its digital platform and state-of-the-art facilities, Saideep is a united front of doctors ensuring there is always a multi-speciality approach to patient treatment and care. Today, we are ready to take Indian healthcare to global. Just as our chairman Dr. S.S. Deepak planned along with the full support of Saideep family.
Thank you, dear viewers. Saideep family wishes you a happy and healthy life.